you just tell me no?
Yes. Use your words. No. Buttons.
So what do you want? Show me.
Now.
My goodness. What do you want, baby girl?
Afternoon.
She actually does this a lot. Sorry, it's hard to tell outside because all you can see is the reflection.
Snack.
Oh, you want a snack? No snack. No snack, my love. No snack.
Toddy, what do you want? What do you want, Todd?
Starbucks, please.
Sad. No. Mike. Hi. Love you. Want. Love you.
What do you want? A treat? Okay, let's go get your treat.